Alright guys, it's Ricardo. Ghost Pirate. Okay, this is Corpus Christi. Actually, it's Portland, and this is called Indian Point. Um, you're coming from Corpus, and you're coming into Portland, and this is called Indian Point right here. Right here it's called Indian Point. So the best fishing for trout would be right here. This little circle area right here for wade fishing. That's what that used to be one of my fishing spots right here for wade fishing. And of course this is Indian Point, and then there's a little area right here in red. This is another area right here too for fishing. And then you go a little bit further up, the pier should be like right here, and you go on the side of this is a bridge right here. This is you're going to Corpus that way. Right here on around this bend here, this is another wade fishing spot here. And then you can also wade fish depending on the tide right here on the side of the bridge. Sometimes it's like two or 3 feet. You can actually wade through here, especially here. This area here is great for trout. Right here. You can either wade fish, or you can use a kayak, or you can use a boat and just park this way and just throw perch this way, and you should catch a lot of trout right here in this area here. Especially in the drum run, they're about right here. You'll catch the drum about right here. Trouts about this area right here. Usually in this area here, you'll catch maybe redfish. This area. Same in this area too. You'll catch some redfish and black drum. And I'll show you this area in a while. This is another spot right here too. That's, or like all right here. Usually it's about 1 or 2 feet to wade fish. But right now we're focusing on Indian Point again. Right here in the flats. Right here. Usually about high tide will probably be best. Right here. In this area right here. You can park right here on the side. Just wade fish this way. So this is called Indian Point. And right here, this is going to Portland right here. This side. So again, fish in the red circles right here. Of course, you have the Indian Point Pier. I prefer to wade fish around the pier. So that's another spot, my friend. So I'll be making another video, and this is another video of on the other side of the bridge. So stay tuned for more videos.